Hello and welcome to the Trade Ideas Market Recap for Monday, June the 23rd. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of the trading room. This is the address to get into the room. And you can log in as a guest or you can use your Facebook or your Twitter account to log in. Well, today was one of the slowest days in the past several weeks that I've experienced. You can tell right here. This is my bounce, my 5-minute bounce alert, which is alerting me to stocks that have been grinding down, and then I'm looking for a bounce. And generally, this window is full of stocks from the day. And actually, there were only DPM actually is from Friday. It was just sort of a carryover. So there were only one, two, three, four, five. There were only 5 stocks that hit this alert today, which is really, really abnormal. And I could also tell that when I looked at the pre-market, one of my scans that I'm using in the pre-market is for earnings, and actually these weren't even in the pre-market. They didn't make the volume requirement, so there were actually only 2 earnings plays for the whole day. So very, very slow day. So this is going to be pretty quick because I'm just going to go over the 2 trades that I did end up taking. And DGI was the first one. The alert was at 28:02 at noon. So it was right in this level here. And I watch it. So actually it was right here. So at 20, there's noon right there. So I watch it come down all the way down to 27.81. And when it came back up over the whole number, I decided to take the trade right at actually the whole number at 28 and sold half at 28.20 and the other half here at 28.25. So nothing magnificent or anything like that, but I actually had said in the room that I was expecting that this level right here, this little resistance area here, probably would stall it, and it looks like it has. The market still has about 40 minutes left in it, but doesn't look like it's going to do anything for the rest of the day either. So that was the first trade, and the second trade was FMC, and it was the last one that came in my balance alerts, and it was at 71.18 at 144. So right in this area here. And so I watched it come down, and I actually took the trade a little bit late. I watched it come down to this level, and I waited for it to break over this. Let me just expand this a little bit here. So this is the 5-minute candle right here that I was looking at, and when it broke above there, I took the trade at 71.30. This actually had some room. I mean, it had room maybe up to this level here, but it didn't happen. And I actually said in the room that if it didn't move very quickly, because I was holding it through this area right here, and if it didn't move very quickly, I was going to get out, and I took the loss at 11-cent loss at 71.19 to get out. And that was it. That was it for the day. I mean, were there other movers? Yes. I mean, I think some people took, I think fuel did not too badly. But, I have a certain routine that I like, setups that I like. And if I don't see them, I just don't trade. I don't try to manufacture the setups. I don't trade just for the sake of trading. So this is all I saw. The 20-day high break, it produced one, but unfortunately CYH, it was way too late. It broke. Let me just see if I can bring it up here and show you why I couldn't take the trade. See, it broke way too quickly. The 45.26 was the 20-day high, so it really accelerated right through this area. Now, I suppose I could have taken it on the pullback here, but by that time, I just didn't take it, quite frankly, and it was the only one that really made any sense to do. But it was a little bit. I know I was looking at it right here on the break of the whole number, and maybe looking to take it here, but it was just too frothy. It was just too up and down. Look at this candle here. I mean, it didn't give from like the entries don't look bad here in the 5-minute chart, but when I was watching it, it was just the spread became a little wide and just got a little too jumpy for my taste anyway. So I suppose I could say I missed this one, but it was really the only one. The other ones didn't really do anything at all. So that's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow we get a little more action, certainly in the bounce plays that I like to trade. I'd like to see a lot more of them, and also some follow through in them. So again, that's it for today. This is the address to get into the room. You can log in as a guest, use your Facebook or Twitter account to log in, and I hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow.